The young man noticed that the old man keeping an eye on him. This led the young man to think, the old man probably think I might run away with the bag. However, I don't believe in dishonesty or theft. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you a motivational story, and believe me friend, this technique, storytelling technique, not only improve your English but also it has many benefits, like your vocabulary is going to improve day by day, your way of pronunciation is going to improve after listening a story, after telling a story. Okay, your inner voice, like always you are thinking that ma'am I cannot learn this language, I will not do this work, is going to remove after listening this story. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So the story goes like this. Long time ago in a kingdom, there lived a young man who had a difficult life. He would go out every day to look for work, earn some money, and then come home to cook, eat, and sleep. One day, after searching for work without any success, he was walking home feeling disappointed. Just then, he heard a voice from behind asking him, "Can I find any laborer here?" He turned around and saw an old man standing there with three full bags. The young man replied, "Yes, I can do the work." The old man said, "I need to go to the next place, which is little far from here. I can carry two bags myself, but the third one is too heavy for me. Can you carry this bag? I will give you 3 gold coins for it." The young man agreed and picked up that bag. As soon as he did, as soon as he realized how heavy bag was and said, "This bag seems very heavy." The old man said, "Yes, because it contains bronze coins." Despite the heavy loads, the young man picked up the bag and started walking with the old man. While they walked, the young man noticed that the old man keeping an eye on him. This led the young man to think, the old man probably think I might run away with the bag. However, I don't believe in dishonesty or theft. I am not going to betray his trust over some coins. I am only interested earning my ways fairly. While walking, a river came ahead. Young man immediately went the water to cross the river, but old man remains stand on the bank on the river. Old man said, "I am too old. I cannot manage 2 bags through this river. If I try, I might drown in the river. Can you carry one more bag with you?" "Don't worry about bags. I will give you 3 more gold coins." Young man agreed. As he went to pick up another bag, the old man hesitated and said, "But promise, you won't run away with this." The young man asked, "Why would I run away?" The old man replied, "Whom can we trust in these days? There are the silver coins in this bag." The young man responded, "Do I look like a thief or a dishonest person? Don't worry, I am not someone who cheat with some thing." So saying this, young man picked up the second bag and crossed the river. Even silver coins would not deter him from his honesty. After walking for a while, they reached a hill. The young man began to slowly climb it. But the old man stopped at the foot, stopped at one place. Seeing this, the young man called, "Come, why did you stop?" The old man replied, "I am too old. I can't walk properly. It is difficult to climb with this bag." The young man said, "Okay, then give me that bag. I will carry it for you." The old man hesitated and said, "But there are gold coins in it. What if you run away with it? I am an old man. I can't even chase after you." The young man raised his voice slightly and said, I have already told you, I am not that kind of person. I work as a laborer because I value honesty. I used to be a bookkeeper for a money lender. He pressured me to cheat people by making false accounts. But I refused, and I had to quit my job. The old man was still doubtful, but responded, "I don't know whether you are telling truth or not. Anyways, come and pick up this bag or gold coins as well. I will follow you at my power. You can go ahead and wait other side and wait for me." The young man picked up the bag and continued on his way, leaving the old man behind. As he walked, he thought, "If I run away with these three bags, the old man won't be able to catch me and I will become rich forever." Then he thought, "This old man is too old. What he will do of so much money? He does not have left much life. But I am young. If I have this money, then I will be wealthy. Then I could marry a beautiful woman and my life would be easier. With money, I will have respect, luxury, and comfort." Tempted by greed, he decided to run away with the three bags. He started running breathlessly with three bags. After running for some time, finally he reached his home and opened the bag. But he was shocked to see that there were no gold or silver coins in the bag, but it contains small stones. He wondered why old man lied him, why he needed to do such drama. As he opened the bag, the young man noticed a piece of paper there. He picked it up and began to read. The message on the paper was, "I am the king of this kingdom. I have no heir, and I am growing old. So I have been searching for an honest person to adopt as my child and successor. If you have not run away, you could have been that person." Reading this, the young man was crushed by regret. All his life, he had been honest, even no intent to betray that old man. If he had ignored the greeding thoughts of his mind, so he would have the successor of that kingdom. So this story shows how quickly a negative thoughts can change our life. It is a reminder of how important it is to always be aware of what we are thinking. With always to you said that our biggest enemy cannot harm us as much as our unguided thoughts. Okay, according to big books, our thoughts turn into the words, our words turn into the actions, our actions becomes habit, and our habits decide our destiny. So therefore, to avoid following into negative thinking, it is important to keep check all the thoughts. Okay, and by keeping an eye on our thoughts, So always think positive. We can easily we guide our life with the help of some positive thoughts. If sometimes you are thinking negative thoughts, so please try to remove them. Okay, so if you are thinking that you cannot learn this language, so it's you need to remove these types of thought that you have made in your mind, because all your thoughts makes your life and your destiny. If you want to become successful, if you want to be fluent in English, so you need to think always positive. Always positive. Yes, I can do this, I will learn this language, I can learn this language. So with the positive thoughts, you can easily be find success, you can easily be fluent in English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so, please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.